If you want to learn how to grow your business using funnels, Russell Brunson has some amazing courses to help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or already running a business, these courses will teach you how to build, launch, and scale with Clickfunnels. Here's a list of his most popular training programs. Russell Brunson Clickfunnels courses. Your first funnel challenge free. A beginner-friendly 5-day challenge to help you build and launch your first funnel. Learn the basics of online marketing. Set up your product, email list, and landing page. Best for new users or entrepreneurs launching their first funnel. One Funnel Away Challenge, $100. One of the most popular courses from Russell Brunson. 30 days of coaching and daily missions. Step-by-step guidance to build a complete funnel. Training from Russell Brunson, Julie Stoyan, and Stephen Larson. Best for entrepreneurs ready to launch a product or business fast. Funnel Builder Secrets, $1,997. An advanced program offering in-depth funnel building and optimization techniques, access to premium ClickFunnels tools and resources, comprehensive training modules for scaling your business. Best for serious marketers and businesses aiming for significant growth. Traffic Secrets course. Based on Russell's best-selling book, this course teaches how to drive traffic to any funnel or website, organic and paid traffic strategies, social media, SEO, email, and more. Best for funnel builders who want to master getting visitors. Funnel Hacks Masterclass, an in-depth masterclass that dives into the psychology behind high-converting funnels, real-life examples and breakdowns of successful funnels, automation, upsells, webinars, and more. Best for marketers looking to go beyond the basics. 2 Club Live, a virtual and sometimes in-person event hosted by Russell. Focuses on building a business that hits 7 figures using funnels, includes high-level guest speakers and funnel strategy sessions. Best for entrepreneurs aiming to scale to 7 figures and beyond. 2 Club X Coaching Program, an elite coaching program led by Russell and his team. One-on-one coaching, accountability, and mastermind groups. Access to all of Russell's core courses and frameworks designed to take you from 6 to 7 figures and beyond. Best for advanced funnel builders and business owners ready to invest big for big growth.